All right, what's up, everyone? To another video, Full Speed Impulse, and today we're at the Crf110 doing a cam chain tensioner. If you know, the stock ones have a tendency of failing, or you start your engine up and it's just got that little bit of rattle noise. That is a sign. It's time to get a new cam chain tensioner, and we go with the manual one here, old Deca, I think it's called. Deca Performance here. It's going to be the way to go, guys. We're going to get her done. Let's see what happens. It's right there by oil puck, so you might have actually done this on accident, which I think is what we did. So I don't think ours is actually failing, but it's right next to the oil plug, so when you go to pull this plug, this actually comes out, which I guess drains the oil from this thing. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know everything there is about this device, but we're going to replace it because that's what everyone says in the forums, that it is a must do. So between this and your oil pump gear, which are still stock, holding strong, thank God, but let's get this done. All right, so right here, oil drain plug. This guy right here is the tensioner. Now, I can't remember, but I think the last time I took this out, a lot of oil didn't come out. So I'm pretty sure you can still do this while there's oil in the engine. Here we go. Woo! A little bit of oil. There's your little spring. Oh, there's the rest of it. And that's a lot of oil. All right. Well, apparently the only reason we didn't drain all our oil out last time because of this guy right here. All right. We're just gonna be then we're gonna be quick about it. Get this off. Boop. Just like that. Now we still need to set. Oh, I should have did the fire up of the noise. Gosh dang it. Sorry guys. I'm just locked in. We got stuff to knock out in the garage, and I'm should have fired it up for you guys. Just making sure there wasn't like a seal on there. Now the question would be, what's the right cam chain tension? All right, we snug this up here. Just don't tighten it any more than you would your oil plug. That's best example there. And then we have a flathead here, which on a 12 goes on there, and that's how you adjust your tension. You lost a little oil. Probably need to check our oil. So backing it out, it's going to be loosening, and then you just snug that nut up. That's going to set the tension. Okay. So we'll start it out loose. That way we can hear the rattle, and then we'll tighten it in, and that should be good. We got to put some oil in this thing, though, because we lost a little bit. All right, you hear that clunking? That's what it's going to sound like before. Sounds good right there, don't it? Yeah. You don't want to make it too tight. I like that. That's smooth. Just like that. Easy peasy, guys. Alright guys, we did some adjusting on it, messing around with it a little bit. It's perfect. Actually, how we had it right out the start, perfect. They kind of have it set, it seems like, where you almost just want that screw about flush with that nut. We'll do a little bit more homework on this, and obviously you guys watch this video, you guys have some knowledge about it, hit us up in the comments, let us know what you think of this upgrade, or if you guys know a little bit more about it. All right guys, there you go, short video. Like I said, hit us up in the comments if you guys know more about this upgrade here. But I appreciate you guys watching. You guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.